Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Lexus LX 600, a luxurious SUV that combines innovation with off-road capability. So, buckle up, and let's see what this Lexus has in store for us. Exterior. The first thing that strikes you about the LX 600 is its imposing presence. It has a bold and aggressive design that exudes luxury and sophistication. The massive spindle grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by sleek LED headlights. The overall look is sharp and contemporary, yet retains the Lexus signature style. On the sides, the LX 600 boasts a sculpted body with flowing lines that create a sense of dynamism. Large chrome wheels and prominent fenders further emphasize its off-road prowess. The rear end is equally impressive, with sharp taillights and a roof spoiler that adds a touch of sportiness. Interior. Step inside the LX 600, and you're greeted by a world of opulence. The cabin is awash with premium materials like leather, wood, and metal accents. Everything feels meticulously crafted and designed for ultimate comfort. The spacious seats offer ample legroom and headroom, even for passengers in the back. The LX 600 comes loaded with technology to keep you entertained and connected on the go. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits prominently on the dashboard, offering intuitive controls for navigation, audio, and climate control. The Lexus also boasts a premium sound system that delivers an immersive listening experience. Under the hood of the LX 600 lies a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces ample power for both highway cruising and off-road adventures. The LX 600 also features a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that provides excellent traction and control on any terrain, whether you're tackling a rocky mountain trail or navigating a snowy road. The LX 600 inspires confidence. Lexus equips the LX 600 with a suite of advanced safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. These include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The LX 600 also boasts a surround view camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. The 2024 Lexus LX 600 is a compelling option for those seeking a luxurious SUV that offers both on-road comfort and off-road capability. It boasts a stunning design, a plush interior, and a powerful engine. Packed with the latest technology and safety features, the LX 600 is a testament to Lexus' commitment to excellence. So, if you're in the market for a luxurious and capable SUV, be sure to check out the 2024 Lexus LX 600. You won't be disappointed. This exploration of the 2024 Lexus LX 600. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, happy driving. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.